Such thing as too much self-help. Can it make you depressed? Interesting, right? Let's talk about that right now. Guys, my name is Steven, and I make these videos on this channel to remind myself and help some others, maybe if anybody's listening out there, that there's something more to this awesome thing called life. If you like the video, click on subscribe, hit the little bell so my message doesn't get lost in your YouTube feed or your Facebook or wherever you're watching this video, because you might like what I have to say. All right, so here's the thing. Honestly, is there too much self-help out there? Can it make you depressed? Here, let me paint you a scenario, right? You go on, life hits you real hard. You get down to that level, you type into YouTube, how to change my life, and you find some video. And it's most likely a super hugely viewed video by one of the huge, massive personal development authorities. Like maybe it's Tony Robbins, or it's a Grant Cardone, the sales guy, or Eric Thomas, or Gary Vaynerchuk, or whatever. You see these videos, and these guys are jet setting, and they're living this lifestyle, and you go, I want that. So you start to practice this, and then you fall into the law of attraction, self-help, manifesting. And then after a little while, you keep watching more and more videos. You start doing these actions. Nothing is happening, or what's happening isn't fast enough and rapid enough. And then you say, this is very frustrating. What am I doing wrong? Well, the truth is you're probably not doing anything wrong. Those folks have been grinding for years. Okay, one of the biggest YouTube channels, and I know you've seen the videos. If you're watching this video, there's a really good chance it's one of the recommended videos, just because the way YouTube works. That's why you should subscribe and click the bell, because then it might recommend me to other video channels when people are watching, just so you know. You Are Creators, a guy named Justin. I love that guy's videos. You look at it and you go, man, this guy has over 1 million subscribers. And you know what? He did that. He's been making videos for 5 years, grinding and working and doing his thing every day for 5 years. That's 365 days for 5 years. That's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15,000, thousands and thousands. I'm not good at math, of days. Now look, you're seeing it, you're going, wow, that guy, that person, that gal doing those videos, they have results. I want to do that. I'm going to make a thing. I'm going to do a project. And then it doesn't happen right away and you're frustrated. That's the danger with all this self-help stuff, right? If you look at it and you see it and you see that somebody's successful, you don't see the grind. You don't see the hustle. You don't see all the stuff they had to do. You don't see that they might have spent money on advertising just to get the audience that they have. Like I don't have money for advertising. So right now, everything I do is by just posting on social media, but I do that every single day because I want to get a message out there, because I do believe that this is a way for me to help others in my family. But you got to remember that band that you see that's real popular now, and everybody looks at them and they go, man, you guys are really lucky. Look at all the success you have. Those bands work 10 years sometimes doing bars and clubs and doing 350 shows a year, getting 10 days off, you know, in a van somewhere. Like, those people work hard. So if you see all this self-help stuff, you got to pick a few things that you really like. You got to follow those methods. You got to work really hard to make sure that what you're doing is what you're doing. Not worrying about what that person's doing. Not looking at that person's success and expecting it to happen overnight for you. And thinking about what you can do to better yourself while you enjoy the message of those creators, those people making the content for you, those people giving out the good message. You take what works for you, you discard what doesn't. You take a little bit more that works for you, you discard what doesn't. And before you know it, you took a couple of different recipes, combined them to make a masterpiece that's unique just to you and your life. What do you think? Thoughts, comments, opinions? Leave a comment. I always reply to my comments. Subscribe, hit the little bell. My name is Steven, and if you made it this far in the video, I get a little froggy in my voice, a little stuffy. I'm just making videos. I missed 2 days. I apologize for that. I'm trying my best to catch back up while I'm fighting the flu. So, be good out there. Be awesome. We'll talk to you guys in another video. Mañana, that's Spanish, I think, for tomorrow. Bye, guys.